Hi there, I'm Arthur ITurres, and this is my CS50w search project, which I'm going to demonstrate right now. So the project is, well, the website in this case has 3 pages, right? One for regular Google search, the one we're looking now, which under the hood is a file called index.html. Then we have another page, which is for the Google image search, and there's another extra one for the Google advanced search. On this specific one, on the index HTML, therefore, is the Google search page. There are links in the upper right corner of the page to go to both image search pages and also to the advanced search page. Then you will see that on each of the other pages, like I'm going to go now, if I go to the image search, you have a button to go back to the Google search page. And if I go to the advanced search page, you can go back to the Google search page. Now, on this one in particular, the user is able to type in a query and then click Google search. And what's going to basically do is going to be, the user is going to be taken to the actual Google search page results, showing all the results based on the query. So we can look into it and say, okay, we look for Harvard, and then we do Google search, and therefore we're going to be taken to the own Google results page that we can see Harvard University as the first option. Now, like Google's own styles, the search bar is centered in the middle with round corners. Then we have the search button that is also centered, although now we have the I'm feeling lucky, therefore both of them are separated with a little bit of gap and right center in the middle beneath the search bar. If we go to the image search, this is going to be the page for it. And in this case, the user is able to type in a query again on this same here. We can write Harvard. And the difference is like when the user clicks the Google search button, it's going to be taken to the actual Google image search results directly. So we can go Google search. And as you can see, it's going to be taken to the own Google search page, but for the images tab. And so you can see all these beautiful images of Harvard's university campus. Lovely. We can close this. Now, we can go back to Google search and we can go to the advanced search page. In this case, the user is able to provide inputs, right, like we did before, but 4 different one of them. And then by clicking, this advanced search result is going to be taken to the own Google's advanced search results with all the fields that we provided within the search bar. So in this case, we have inputs for inputting all the words, any of these words, none of these words, and these exact words of phrase. So in this case, for example, we can look for Harvard, education, tuition, and dollars. And when the user clicks the advanced search, like is exactly taken from the Google's own advanced search options, therefore it's going to be taken to the Google search results, but with a little bit more of information given our inputs that we just provided. We can close here, and all right. And of course, again, like the Google owns page, advanced search page, sorry, the 4 options are stacked vertically, like the ones you're seeing here. All the tech fields are left aligned. And of course, being consistent with the CSS of the own Google page, the button of the advanced search button is blue with white text. Now we can go back to the Google search. Now, I'll also have added, like I said before, an I'm feeling lucky button. So you can also type again the Harvard as a query for the search bar. But what happens is when you click the I'm feeling lucky button, it's going to bypass the normal results on Google owns results page, but it's going to go straight, if possible, to the website or to the application of that query that we just wrote. So we wrote Harvard and we click I'm feeling lucky, and thankfully we're taken to the Harvard University education website, and therefore it's working. So we can close here. And as for the end of this video, the CSS that I wrote resembles Google owns aesthetics, the images, the inputs, the buttons, the way that the elements and the layout, how it's stacked to one another, as well for the advanced search and the image search as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.